We are here to learn and understand Excel. I am Tito Frank. In our class today, we want to look at how to calculate sum. Totals of numbers, summation of numbers is actually the simplest calculation in Excel. To do this, very simple. There are a lot of methods. I'm going to use the easiest method. So I click here and I just press on my keyboard alternate and equals to. I got my answer. So I press enter. I got the first answer. I can drag this down to get the rest. I can come down here, do the same thing. I press alternate and equals to. So it aligned for me. The formula is there. I press enter. Then I can drag this to the end. And I got total, even total of totals. I got all my totals. The next video, we're going to learn how to scale. All I needed to press was just the alternate key plus the equal sign. That was all I pressed to get that. Don't forget, get this number, contact this number to learn more on Excel and even accounting software and other packages. I am Tito Frank.